Hello boys and girls, how are you today? Welcome back to the animal puzzle lesson. Are you ready? Let's go! One day, Enspire took his friends to the zoo. They saw an animal. The doll asked,
"What animal is it?"
Enspire said, "It's a bird." The ball bounced and asked,
"What animal is it?"
Enspire said, "It's a chicken." Then they saw an animal run by. The car asked,
"What animal is it?"
Enspire said, "It's a rabbit." They saw a big animal. The robot was scared and asked,
"What animal is it?"
"It's a lion." Then they kept walking and met many other animals. A cat, a dog, an elephant, a big T-Rex statue. Suddenly, all the doors were opened. The animals ran out of the zoo and into the city. The doll said,
Enspire, we have to help them. We need to bring the animals back.
The ball asked.
How could we find them?
Enspire thought for a moment. Then he said loudly, "I can play animal sounds. I will play the dog sound. Listen, the dog will answer us." The robot said excitedly,
Great idea! Then you will play the chicken sound. We can find the chicken.
Let's play the lion sound. We have to find the lion first.
Enspire and his toy friends went around the city. Enspire played the lion sound. Then he heard, they found the animals and took them back to the zoo. Then Enspire played the cat, bird, chicken, rabbit sound. They found the animals and took them back to the zoo. All the animals were safe. All the people cheered around Enspire and said, "Thank you! You are animal rescuers." Now, what animal is it? It's a bird. It's a bird. It's a bird. Now your turn. One more time. Last time. Good job. Now, what animal is it? It's a chicken. It's a chicken. It's a chicken. Now your turn. One more time. Last time. Good job. Now, what animal is it? It's a cat. It's a cat. It's a cat. Now your turn. One more time. Last time. Good job. Now, what animal is it? It's a dog. It's a dog. It's a dog. Now your turn. One more time. Last time. Good job. Play the lion sound. Play the lion sound. Play the lion sound. Your turn. One more time. Last time. Good job. Play the rabbit sound. Play the rabbit sound. Play the rabbit sound. Your turn. One more time. Last time. Good job. Play the T-Rex sound. Play the T-Rex sound. Play the T-Rex sound. Your turn. One more time. Last time. Good job. Good job, boys and girls. Let's open your workbook and review everything.
Exercise A. Look and circle.
Exercise B. Listen, repeat, and trace.
What animal is it? It's a T-Rex. What animal is it? It's a cat. What animal is it? It's a chicken. What animal is it? It's a dog. What animal is it? It's a rabbit. What animal is it? It's a bird. I'm very proud of you. You are super robot engineers. Goodbye, everyone. See you next time.